Everybody, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Edward Jones Client Support. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browsers. In the top, there's this address bar. Type down edwardjones.com and enter. And once you're inside this homepage, scroll all the way to the bottom here. And over here, select this client resources. So over here, scroll a bit down as well. And if you need any help with your tax resources and client statements, you can select this learn more. And from here, what you can do is you can find this. You can find instruction here. You can simply select learn more if any issue is relatable to you. From here, you can understand the issue and follow the on-screen instruction. And if you need more help, scroll a bit down again. And you can find this number here. What you need to do is you need to dial with online access. You can call 800-441-5203. And online client support is available Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.